On this-
Welcome to the Junitore podcast. Today we have a very special guest. Her name is Diane Rose Javier, and we're interviewing Diane just to get an idea on her spectacular reading scores, resulting in a band 8 in reading. So that's a maximum of only 5 mistakes in the reading test, which is far from what I've accomplished. Wherein I scored a band 9 in the reading test. Diane Rose.
Hi,
Diane,
sir. Ikaw na talaga.
yeah. Diane, start by interviewing yourself for the benefit of our millions of listeners. Go, Diane.
Sige, sir. Hello to the million of listeners of Sir June.
Yes.
Yes.
And then tell us about yourself, Diane. Where you're from, what you're doing now.
Oh, I'm working here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and I have been here for 8 years now, and I am from Zambales. Yes, but Zambales, Philippines.
Okay. And then where are you headed to?
Oh, I'm headed to United Kingdom.
Okay. When will you be leaving, Diane? Do you have any idea?
I I don't know yet, sir. If because I had an interview a couple of days ago.
How did it
If
go?
ever um I couldn't say, but if that
Mm-hmm.
interview went well,
Mm-hmm.
may probably I might be leaving by December or January. Depends
December already.
because currently UK is yeah because it's a private sector. But if it's in the NHS, because currently NHS they the hiring is what you call this, they have a
Oh,
hiatus in hiring.
I see.
Uh,
They've frozen
yeah,
hiring. NHS.
they froze
Oh, I
it.
see.
So it will be a bit hard to process the papers if you are applying for public
Mm-hmm.
sectors.
All right. And
But I
then,
don't know yet, sir, because I'm still in the process of job hunting. But I'm
okay.
hoping by February because my contract will end by February.
Oh, I see. This
Yes.
hospital, tell me about it. Where is it located? Is it big?
The what, sir?
The hospital you applied for?
It's in London, sir.
Oh
That's
my
all I can
God, you're in
say.
the capital. You're
Yeah,
going to London. London.
yeah.
Okay, and then how did you find this hospital?
Oh, I just find it in a website that my boyfriend suggested for me to look into it.
Okay. Is he
Then
also in
I,
London?
huh?
Is he also in London?
Yeah, my boyfriend is in London.
Okay.
That's why,
All
yeah,
right.
that's why as much as possible, I'm looking for new job
Mm.
in London.
And then, is it a big hospital? It must be, right? Because it's
Um,
in London.
yeah, it must be.
What's
Yeah.
the name of the hospital?
Secrets.
Oh, you can't say. Okay, all right.
I can't say baka ma-jinx.
Why?
Charot.
Ah,
But
there.
I'm still waiting. Yeah,
Really?
I do believe kasi na, when you expose or
Oh, come on, man.
expose some of your plans,
There's no scientific basis for your thinking. Diane,
whatever.
do you ever think that they will actually refuse you? I don't think so.
Um,
Check out her
I don't
scores,
know. I
guys.
don't know. I don't know.
Nine. She scored a 9 in listening, an 8 in reading, 7 in writing and speaking. How can they dare refuse? Right, Diane?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
see, sir,
Diane, it's
because
in the bag. Do you
I
know what
messaged
happened?
them. I messaged them yesterday, and the recruiter told me
Mm-hmm.
he's still waiting for the interview outcome. And then my boyfriend told me just be positive because if it's a no, they've already told you that it's a no.
Correct.
That's
What
what
a smart
that's
guy
what he
your
told me.
boyfriend is. Okay. And then let's assume it doesn't work out. So what's your plan B?
Um, well, currently I'm still looking for jobs, like submitting CV
Mm-hmm.
to different agencies. So I still have a backup plan if that won't work out. Just
Okay.
keeps on
Dan, I'm so
submitting
sure
CV.
it's in the bag. Okay, better start
Let's
packing.
see.
And then, so where are you gonna be staying? In your boyfriend's place? Of course, right?
No, I don't know, sir. No, I don't
Are you
want to stay with
gone
him
that
all
far
the
in your
time.
plans?
Yeah.
Come on, you get your rent for free. What's wrong with you? Do you know how expensive rent is in London? It's like a
I
thousand
know,
pounds
sir, but still,
more.
I love my um alone time.
All right, you're weird, man.
Yes. Well,
Okay,
Scorpios are weird, sir. You're a Scorpio,
yeah, but
so
I'm
you're
not
weird.
weird like you know. Okay, Diane, you're gonna save 1,000 or 1,500 pounds a month. What's wrong with you? Do you know how much that is? That's 75,000 pesos. See? Oh, let's not talk about your boyfriend because this is on recording.
Chismoso ka, sir, eh. Sige na, sige, sige.
You might get
Let's
into
proceed to your,
trouble. Okay,
sige, sir.
so Diane, let's go back to the reading test. What did you score initially?
My score was 7
No,
initially in reading.
not. I meant when you were starting out.
When I was doing my drills,
When you were first doing the IELTS. You know, going back to the time when you were doing it for the very first time. Where did you review
yeah.
the previously, by the way?
No, I didn't review to other review center, just with you,
Come
sir.
on, you liar.
Yeah, yeah. I messaged you September
Mm-mm.
2023, like September 20. And then that's it.
Really?
That was the
Mhm.
time I started doing my reading drills. Because even when I was still in your when I was in your class way back 2021 October, I wasn't doing any reading drills that time.
Mm-mm. You were
And
focusing
then I
on
stopped
speaking.
on my other
Okay.
just writing, but I wrote just 4 essays and then I stopped. And then I
Okay.
messaged you after 2 years. Then
Yeah,
that's it.
man.
I started my my,
What?
my journey in IELTS.
Okay. So what changed? Was it your boyfriend who changed everything in your life? You better say yes,
Uh,
because we're on recording, you know.
no, he's one of the main reasons because he's not
Mm-hmm.
here in Riyadh anymore. And on top of that,
Oh, I see.
my work as well, I do
Mm-hmm.
not feel happy anymore. And it's
Okay.
toxic and it's really giving me a hard time and
After eight
burnout
years.
after 8 years. Yeah, and
That's
also most
mm-hmm.
of my friends, sir, they're not here anymore. They're in Ireland and UK. So it's
Aw.
like an inspiration as well for me to level up.
Okay.
So
I'm
I
gonna take
decided
note of
to.
all of that. I'm gonna, for the next dream catcher, I'm gonna post a caption saying, "Your friends have left you behind."
Yes, sir. For me, it's also it has a huge impact, especially if they're your closest friend and they're not here anymore. It kind of
Mm-hmm.
motivate you to level up and go there as well.
Okay.
I know,
So you
just
have
that's
to use
just for
your
me.
friends to motivate you. You can't even motivate yourself.
I can motivate myself, sir, but it kind of like an inspiration. Like if they can do that, you can also do that. Something like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the
Yeah,
friend of Diane is one of those students, right?
yeah, Lian.
Did you know that she's
Yeah,
planning for the US?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. I know. Yeah.
she's gonna leave you again.
It's okay. She's not really. We're friends, but she's not really one
Not
of
the
my
priority.
top. Yeah.
All right. And then Diane, so what's the answer to the question? Did you start off at band six or something in reading? Do you
Uh
remember? Did you
yeah,
remember how it felt? Like, my God, this is so hard.
yeah. It was hard when I was doing the Cambridge 7. I can remember my
Oh,
score
really? I gave you
was,
Cambridge 7.
yeah, yeah, you gave me Cambridge 7. You told me do that.
Oh my
I need to do
gosh,
that. So
that's
my
hard.
score
Mhm.
was 25 to 26 or 27.
Oh, that's a band 6.
Those are my scores.
Yeah,
Yeah,
26
band six.
is
Yeah.
a no, 26 is still a band 6. Okay, so I guess the question is, it's a good thing you didn't feel discouraged by those scores. 'Cause for
No,
most
because you
people,
told
they would
me,
actually give up at that point, right?
yeah, because you told me as along the way while doing the drills of the reading, it will get easy as long as
Mm,
I will watch your bubbles
mm-hmm.
and then do my own. So that's what I did for 2 months.
Okay. Because I remember reading was one of the tests that you hurdled first, right? And then you had to proceed to speaking and then writing. So you started off with reading. That was your point of
Yes,
entry.
sir. Yeah,
Really?
yeah. I started in reading, listening, and speaking because we were already doing the drills as well, the midnight bubbles during
Okay.
that time while doing the reading.
All right. And then, so how eventually did you improve your scores in reading? By the combination of doing it and then watching the bubble.
Yeah, yeah, doing how you attack the questions in bubbles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the techniques and strategies, and then doing it on my own. And
Okay.
then like 2 weeks prior to my exam, I
Mm-hmm.
started time pressured.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So, uh, when you were initially doing it, did you do it like three reading passages at a time, or?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've heard like someone had told me you should do just one passage a day, but for me, I feel like it's not
Mm-hmm.
gonna make sense. Like just that's
Mm-hmm.
just for me. So I was doing one reading test a day.
All right. And
Yeah.
initially, were you timing yourself or not yet?
No, no, sir. Like for 1 month, more than 1 month, I think I wasn't timing myself. I
You
was
weren't
just doing
timing
it.
yourself.
No,
Okay,
no.
I see. And then, and then, how did you ever get a grip of list of headings, true false not given? Which one did you find harder?
Oh, for me, the list of headings. List of
Oh,
headings
really?
and yeah, list of headings. That's
Okay, and how did you
the
eventually learn to understand how to attack them through watching
because
the bubble?
yeah, by watching the bubbles, you're gonna read the paragraph, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's like you're getting the idea of the paragraph, and then you will look the choices, something like that, I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and
Yeah.
then, um, so in the bubbles. By the way, bubbles are real-time demonstrations of how I do the reading test. We call them bubbles. So in the bubbles, you would notice that I would usually begin off with easier question types like one word only, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you more or less do it that way?
Yes, sir. Yeah. If I before answering, I will look into the questions first. If I saw that there's a one word only, I will do it first, and then
Mm-hmm.
I will proceed in the yes or no or true, false, not given, and then I
Okay,
will do it last the matching type or list of headings.
I see. All right. And so you implemented this regimen initially, like one reading passage
Yes.
only at a time.
One reading test, sir, in a day. I would do
Really?
it. Yeah,
Okay, three reading passages in a day.
yeah, in a day.
Okay. Did you do this after work or was it better before work?
Because during that time, around October, I wasn't working that much. So I was doing it every afternoon.
Oh, okay. I
Yeah.
see. And then in between, you would join the speaking bubbles.
Yeah, I would join the speaking bubbles in the morning, and then um during the night I would attend the midnight bubbles with the other students like Sir Onin.
Mm-hmm.
Sha
I see.
during that time.
Cha, who is Cha?
Sha, who's in London as well, but she decided to take PTE. She
I
was
forgot
supposed
her
to take
last name.
IELTS.
Okay.
Um, can't remember. Yeah, but
Ah,
still, yeah,
yeah,
she
I
was your student.
remember. Did she pass already? Oh my God, she's
PTE,
good.
yes.
Should have taken the IELTS, girl. Okay, she's good.
Yeah.
She works
Yeah,
in
she's
London.
good.
Yeah, she's
Yeah,
really.
she's good.
Mm,
We learn a lot of vocabs from her during
mm,
our midnight bubbles.
okay. And then, mm, um, tell me about the exam itself. When you went to the exam, how would you compare what were the assignments harder? Definitely.
Again, sir.
The
Again, sir.
the the task that you did, the Cambridge task that you did, they were harder
Yeah.
generally than the real exam.
Yes, the Cambridge.
Mm-hmm.
They're hard. Yeah, they're way more harder than the actual exam.
Okay.
But I think, like for me, I think the actual exam, when you read it, it seems easy, but it's a bit tricky. I don't know,
Oh,
like it's
okay.
like the correct answer is hiding, you know.
I
They have a
see.
lot of distractions. So
All right.
you really have to read it
So you
thoroughly.
got used to the traps, right? These are the
Yeah.
traps. Okay. And what was your game plan in the exam? Like, did you have a target time for each reading passage?
Yes, sir, because I can remember when I was doing my practice, uh it was time pressured. So
Mm,
my goal was to finish the first passage in 10 to 15 minutes. The same with second passage, because
mm,
usually the last one, it's the hardest
mm,
passage. So you would
mm.
need like at least 30 minutes for you to answer it. And that's what
That's what
happened
it
to
turns
me in
out.
yeah, that's what,
Oh,
yeah, it turns out in actual exam.
mm.
Like I finished the first passage like for 12 minutes. The second
Wow.
one was fifteen minutes, I think. And then the
Uh-huh.
remaining was in the last passage. And
The
then I
remaining,
finished
you
it.
use up the
Yeah, the
remaining time
remaining
for the
time.
last passage. Oh
Yeah,
my
and then
God.
after I answered the last passage, I still have like 4 minutes
Mm-hmm.
to double check from the first passage, second and third.
Okay. Did you have a list of headings?
Uh, do I have a list of headings? In
You
my
remember?
previous exam, sir, the ones
The
where I got
earlier exam.
seven, yeah, I
Okay.
got
A
list of
seven
headings.
for
But this one,
the first exam.
majority,
Wow. You
yeah,
went from a seven to an eight. Wow.
yeah.
Like seven is like 10 mistakes. An eight is like five mistakes. Wow.
Mm. Actually,
Congratulations, Fever.
actually, sir, I was a bit of surprised that I got eight because
Mm-hmm.
this time I was just focusing writing. I wasn't doing
Oh,
reading.
okay.
I remembered when you were asking me, "Are you doing your reading?" I said no,
Mm-hmm.
because my goal was just to get 6.5 in reading because I already got seven.
You already got a
So I
seven.
was surprised.
Okay.
Yeah, I just did one reading test a day before my actual exam just
Okay.
to, I don't know.
Okay.
So yeah, I was
Don't
surprised I got
follow
eight.
what you did, guys. And then what did you score on that one reading test that you did before the exam? Do you remember?
I, yeah, I messaged you that time. It was 30. I did Cambridge 12. Cambridge 12 or
You
9?
just a band seven?
Yeah, I get 30 over 40.
Wow. Okay,
No,
so
sir,
that
I think in reading, sir, as long as you know na the strategies and techniques,
mm-hmm,
and even if you don't practice for a long time, as long as it's really in your mind already how to do it, how
mm-hmm,
to
how
attack
to
the
do it.
questions,
Mm-hmm.
you can score 7.
Okay. Wait, what was the answer to the list of headings? Did you have a list of headings?
No, this time no. It's all matching types, sir.
Oh, you mean like which section
Majority.
contains the following information, stuff like that.
Yeah, like the idea and the person, matching type.
That kind. Okay. I'm sure you had true, false, not given.
Yeah, and then multiple choice.
All right. Okay.
Um, yeah.
And then I want to ask about the true false not given. How did you distinguish between a false answer and a not given answer
Oh,
through the bubbles as well?
yeah, through the bubble, sir, because
Mm-hmm.
I remembered how you answered it. Like in not given, you would just ask yourself, does it say that
Mm-hmm.
does it say
Mm-hmm.
anything about this sentence
I
in the
see.
passage? Yeah, just
Okay. So if it doesn't say, it's not given.
yeah,
Okay. Even just a word, right?
yeah, mm,
Focusing on particular word. This particular word did not come out. There.
yes, sir.
Okay. And then when you finish the reading test, did you feel like I got this in the bag?
Yeah, I know I
You
got
felt
at
that
least
way?
seven.
Okay, I see. Congratulations. Wait, I want to ask a little about writing. So, um, yeah, I remember your earlier exam wherein I think that's really like the true false not given. You kind of misunderstood the question, right? Do you remember in your writing
Yes,
test?
sir. In my
Her
writing
initial
test?
score was a band six in the writing test,
Ah,
correct?
yes, sir. Yeah,
And then her
yeah.
speaking was band six as well. This is the first test, okay?
Seven, sir. I got seven
No,
also
there
in
was a test
speaking.
where you had a remark,
Yeah, 6.5, and then I did a remark
a 6.5 for the
turnouts.
speaking, and then a 6 for the writing. And then you had both remarks, and then the
Yeah,
speaking went up to a band seven, rightfully, justifiably. And then, duh, how dare you, examiner?
yeah,
And then there was
yeah,
no change in the writing.
yeah.
So
That's
it
right.
still wasn't enough. So you had to take another test, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
So how did you now prepare for the writing?
Oh, I prepared like writing all the free
Videos,
essays. Yeah,
writing all the free essay.
yeah,
Okay.
I wrote all the free essays, and then I would submit it to you for you to check
Mm-hmm.
it. And then I would also ask ChatGPT to check it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
ChatGPT tends to underestimate scores, right? P? Did you notice that?
Yes, sir, but it kind of helps me when it comes to what you call this, synonyms or the right placement of
Mm.
comma, something like
Oh,
this.
really? Chat would correct your
Mm.
grammar that way?
Yeah, yeah, you because the chat GPT would give you a revised essay of what you wrote, and then you
Oh,
would see
really?
where where you missed the comma or
Uh-huh.
which
Oh my
word is
God.
much appropriate to use.
Okay. That's a
Mm.
good tip, ah. So would you submit the essay to me first before you submit it to ChatGPT, just to find out if there's a difference?
Yes,
And then what did you notice
yes.
about chat? Like,
Huh?
did it tend to score lower?
Yeah, chat GPT would just give me 6 to 6.5.
Okay.
Sometimes 5.5. That's why it was really depressing. And right again, I said,
Yeah,
fuck
chat
you, chat
has a
GPT.
tendency to score it lower. In fact,
Yeah.
I tried submitting an essay to chat and then it scored me a 7 to 7.5. And I was saying, I think you're mistaken. And then it came back with a higher score.
Yeah.
I think your grading is faulty because take a look at my vocabularies. And then he said, you're right.
Yeah. I even told that to my boyfriend and then because he was also using ChatGPT
Mm-mm.
for his emails sometimes, and then he
Yeah.
told me like, "Oh no, don't feel down because of ChatGPT
Yeah.
because whatever you give to ChatGPT, it
Mm-hmm.
ChatGPT will change it,
Mm.
will
Okay.
revise it." Mm.
I see. All right. In the end, besides that, you would write a lot of free essays.
Yes, just write and write the free essays. And
Okay.
then,
If
yeah,
only you had done that before. Yeah, man.
yeah.
In the
I
end,
don't know,
all the
sir. Maybe because
time.
that time, sir, I was
Mm-hmm.
also distracted of doing the listening, reading, and then the speaking drills as well.
Mm-hmm.
But this time, I focused the 3 weeks prior to exam just in writing.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm.
Then of course we would do bubbles for writing as well. So you made sure to watch those bubbles.
Sometimes, sir, yeah, I would watch it. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Okay. And then so basically for writing, it was misinterpreting question from there.
yeah.
Okay. And then what was your task to question B
What
for
was it?
writing?
Kalimutan ko na. Uh, it's a discussion essay about
Oh,
parents
right.
monitoring the children very closely.
Ah, okay.
Others
Okay.
think they should give freedom.
I see. Okay, I have it.
Yeah.
No, no, no. I don't have it.
You have it, sir. I
Wait.
sent it to you.
Parents, did you say parents? There.
Yeah, parents and
Many parents and
teachers.
teachers believe that they should supervise children's activities very closely. Others think that they
Yeah.
should give children more freedom. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Can you outline how you attack that question?
Um, the outline. Ano ko,
Do you
how
remember?
was it? The first
I think
paragraph was about so
you attacked it with
introduction, then
some compromise, right? Many parents and teachers
compromise.
believe, I
Yeah, I
think,
think so.
yeah,
So
that they should supervise the BC style children's activities very closely in different forms. Others think that they should give children more freedom and then discuss both views. Okay, so when you saw this question B,
mm-hmm.
did you feel like I got this in the bag again?
mm,
Did you feel that way?
I don't know. I just
Mm-hmm.
said to myself, just relax and then
Okay,
just do your best. Yeah. So I did what
all right.
you used to do when you're doing the writing essay.
Oh, you
Like
did the
just outlining it
preparation.
first, planning.
Oh, so
Huh?
nice. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's so important, right, outline.
Yes, sir. Because
So for the first body
I
paragraph,
didn't do it in the
uh,
past. The
oh,
planning.
really? In the past, you just went ahead and typed?
Yeah, that's the lesson that
Oh,
I've learned that before writing essay, you should
okay.
plan. Mm.
Okay. So now you realize, right? Then second body paragraph, you said something like more freedom. I'm curious about the arguments for freedom. What did you say for freedom? Do you remember?
Uh,
Oh, I have it here. I have parents believe that they should give more freedom. It's crucial for youngsters development there. So youngsters development. Okay. Then helps them so nicely mm, enjoy their childhood
mm,
there. Mm, it develops, so that's similar to the youngsters development argument. Develop problem solving skills, critical thinking. Oh, so nice. Okay. And then independent. Here. And then what third body, balance both.
mm. Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah, my
Balance
opinion.
of both.
Mm-mm.
Hmm,
Yes.
you did.
Yes, sir.
You did.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Like 40 minutes exactly, or 42.
All
It
right.
was,
Okay. Then your task one, what was it?
it was a bar graph.
Okay. Was it hard or uh, was it a
No,
cakewalk?
it's not that hard.
Cakewalk,
No.
not that hard. Okay.
So
You did the
lang.
task two. Okay. So by the time you ended the writing test, it's in the bag. Did you feel that way, D?
Yes, I think I got 6.5.
Please.
Yeah.
Okay. So again, like ChatGPT, you underestimated your ability because you scored a seven, girl. Okay. And then finally, the speaking test came after. Was this after a break?
No, the speaking was the first one, sir. I did
Oh,
it first.
really? Okay.
Yeah.
So the LRW was in the afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I did the speaking around 12, and then the written exam started at 1 p.m.
What? That's so late. Okay. Was that your choice?
Yeah, it was my choice to do the speaking at 12 because it
Mm,
was supposed to be at 9, but I don't want to
oh,
wake up
really?
so early.
Come
Yeah.
on. 9 o'clock. That's late already, girl. Okay. And then speaking, since you never really had any problems with speaking, right? So it was
Yeah.
a walk in the park. Was it?
Yes,
Was walk
sir.
in the
Yeah.
park?
Because my goal was just to get 7.
Okay.
That's it.
Since you already scored a 7 previously, so
Yeah,
there's
I
no
don't care anymore.
okay. I don't care anymore.
Also because
Okay.
I've already did my part when it comes to speaking, sir, because
Mm.
during the time with Sir Onin, we were doing the midnight
Yeah,
bubbles
you've done
every
so
night.
many, like thousands, man.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
same with speaking, sir. If you already know how to attack questions,
Mm-hmm.
how to answer them correctly,
Mm-hmm.
you can still do it without drills.
Okay. Bring it, dude. Your examiner was British, Middle Eastern,
I
male,
think Middle
female,
Eastern, male. Yeah, male. Middle
male.
Eastern.
Okay. And then the questions were reviewer questions.
Some of it, sir. Some part two and then
Mm-hmm.
part three. It was all in the reviewer. But
Okay.
I didn't read the reviewer anymore before the exam.
Okay. You didn't need to read the reviewer anymore.
Yeah, because my goal was just to pass the writing
Mm-hmm.
that time.
Okay.
But before,
Mm-hmm.
sir, I was
You read it
always
all.
reading the reviewer.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Okay. You
Yeah,
read
we
it
were using
cover
the
to
reviewer,
cover?
sir, when we were doing the midnight bubbles.
Uh-huh.
We were
Okay.
using it.
Onin, I think he scored 7.5. Did you know?
Yeah,
I,
yeah, he's
yeah, yeah. Okay.
7.5.
Rona scored an 8.5. Did you ever catch Rona in class? Rona Faye? No.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah, around
Okay.
November. Yeah.
There. 8.5. Didn't even perfect it. There. What a disappointment. Okay. And then D, you're listening. I'm leaving speaking now, D. And then you're
Sir?
listening. Listening has never been a problem because you didn't even score a mistake.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
When I was starting, I was using the Cambridge.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I think if you want to score more than 7, you can use the premium British
Oh, the
premium
ready
British
premium
translation.
materials.
Ready premium, yeah.
That's a hard one.
Yeah, that's what I was using for like 2 weeks before my exam.
Oh my God, those are hard listening tests. Very fast.
Mm,
And then in the
mm.
actual test, similarly with the reading, it's easier, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
But I noticed myself, damn, this is so easy. Like they talk so
Mm.
slow, man. Can you hurry it up? Okay. B, before we have the students ask you questions, uh, okay. Could you like uh give an overall advice on your experience in the IELTS? What
Overall
should students do?
advice.
Yeah,
Ano pa?
make time for study, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they should really make time for it.
Mm-hmm.
At least if and also I think first and foremost you have to determine your weakness
Oh,
and
okay.
then spend more time on it. I think that was my mistake
Mm-hmm.
during my because I know already that my weakness was writing, but I was still doing drills for reading, writing. I was
I see.
speaking.
I
Yeah, it
see.
was overwhelming for me. But then when I decided to just focus in writing, that's when
Mm-hmm.
I got this score. But as I've said, I've already done my part for speaking. So you have to
Mm-hmm.
make time or speaking drills at least 2 hours a day.
Okay. I see. D, when you would practice with your writing, that's straight to the computer already. It is
Sir?
straight to the computer.
Yes, but during the early days of my IELTS journey, I used to write it in the paper
Mhm.
first.
Okay, I see. And
Yeah.
then what advice can you give students who give up so easily?
Oh,
I'm sure you felt like, was there a point that you wanted to give up?
yeah, there was a point. I think it was around April because I was
After the
experiencing
first step. Mm-hmm.
yeah, I was also experiencing some stressful event at work. So it's
Uh-huh.
really important to surround yourself of people that believes in you
Mm-hmm.
and would always encourage you. Because for me, apart from my boyfriend,
Mm-hmm.
the people that I've met in your
Yeah,
review center,
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
that's why. Like I
I
was like, oh my
feel
God, this
the
journey is so so
yeah.
nice because I've met people like Sir Rondel, Sir Onin,
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am Sha
Lauren,
and Ma'am Trisha. They would
what?
like
Uh,
ask me
mhm.
how's your IELTS and this, and then they would tell me like don't give up because you can do it.
I see.
So yeah,
Okay, so the support system.
yeah,
The
support system, sir, is really a huge part of it of
I see.
for you to stay committed.
Okay. Did you feel pressured when they began passing one by one ahead of you? You did.
A little bit, sir. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah, but you had your boyfriend anyway, right? I mean, he's such a
yes.
huge part of your journey, right?
My boyfriend,
If I would say he
yes,
was a huge part of your journey because he was always
yes,
there.
sir. Because I remembered I was telling him, no, I don't want to do IELTS anymore. Maybe I would just apply as a healthcare assistant in Ireland because
Mm-hmm.
that's the easiest
Yeah,
way.
with
And
your
then,
first test, that was enough for an HCA, right?
yeah, and then he would tell me, no, just do the donkey work right now, and
Donkey
you would
work.
save.
Wow. I love
Yeah, he would
it.
tell me.
The
So you
donkey
would
work.
savor the product of your hardship there because
Oh,
you're
what
a
good
nurse.
advice.
Blah blah
Oh,
blah blah like this.
yeah, you're a
Just
nurse. What's wrong with
focus,
you?
stay
Yeah,
committed. Like
you
because I
can
have
give.
friends that sir na they are nurse, but they are in Ireland working as healthcare assistant because they
Oh,
didn't want to go. Yeah, they didn't want to go this kind of examination like IELTS.
oh, okay.
Yeah,
Tell them to get
you're
in touch with you.
investing. Yeah, you're investing for yourself. That's what he keeps on telling me.
Yeah, you learn so much, right,
That's what
D?
he.
Yeah, very nice. Very, really good, mature, intelligent advice. In the end,
Yeah.
now you realize the harder you study, the greater the party.
Yeah, just don't, I know, don't give up even if you experience setbacks,
Mm-hmm.
or adversities along the way.
Okay.
Just, you're not gonna be motivated every day. That's what I
Mm-hmm.
experienced, but you
Mm.
really have to find the people that will lift you up.
Okay. Do you talk
That's
with
the
your
main
boyfriend
thing.
every day?
Yes, sir.
You do. Okay. All right.
Yeah,
I know
I
what to
do.
do. I'm gonna make my students my girlfriend. I'm gonna demand, hey, it's time for us to talk. There,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be your boyfriend. And then can we look into the future finally? So is it the UK all the way? You think? What does your boyfriend do by
Uh,
the way?
oh, my boyfriend, as of now, he's working in an oil company as a sales manager
Okay.
like
All
this.
right. That's a dying industry. I'm sure he's aware, right?
Yeah, but it's an American company, and he said like it's
Mm-hmm.
doing well and something like
Mm-hmm.
this. Yeah.
Okay. He doesn't feel guilty
About what?
contributing to climate change. We're on recording. Don't answer that question. And then any plans
Oh,
for the US down the road, or you'll cross the bridge when you get there?
I don't know,
You
sir. Let's see how
don't
it
think so.
goes. But
Mm-hmm.
that would be my plan B to take the NCLEX and go in US because as of now, my
Mm-hmm.
goal is just to get out of here
Right, right,
and
right.
go to another.
That's the immediate
Yeah. But the
priority, right?
US
Mhm.
it's either US or Australia, sir. I don't know. We'll see
Yeah, but
how it
you said he
goes.
works for an American company, right?
Yeah, but he doesn't have any plans of moving in
Really?
America. He loves
I
the
see.
UK.
He loves the UK. Okay, I would understand. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you'll just cross the bridge when you get there. It's it's something for the
Oh,
future to decide.
yes, sir. Let's see.
See, so proud of you. 5 mistakes in the reading test, which is far from what I've accomplished.
O sige na, sir. Ikaw na. Band 9.
Feeling
Congratulations, D. Impress.
congratulations.
Yeah, big congratulations. D, don't leave yet. Students are gonna ask you questions. But for the sake of the recording, we're gonna stop it here. Hang on, D. Stopping
Okay,
recording.
sir.